Okay, family, this is now the next item. The next appliance.
Feel the wheels on the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the wheels are there.
Yeah, so this have to come off.
Yeah, that come on, that's what I'm saying. You have to take off that.
Okay.
I was trying to cut the thing off.
Oh, okay. You want me to?
So far, we broke down the box, we threw it out, and now my father is now taking off the appliance.
Oh, that's part of it.
Sorry.
This is how it looks on the inside.
It's a poofer and also a warm and holding station. So
Wow.
we can hold food and when I'm poofing the dough for the footwear.
Good, because I did not know what it was. And that's it.
This is the easiest one to take out.
Everything else was very hard. Props to the kudos.